This will be a speed test between the iPhone XR versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And that was very close on boot up. You guys are the judges. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both, as you can see. So let's get started with the phone app. Very close. Messages. Ooh, maybe the iPhone on that one. Camera. You guys are the judges. Clock on both. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Safari and Samsung Internet, let's go. Go to GSM Arena on this. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, and the Galaxy is a little bit faster. And let's go to the desktop version on the iPhone. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on the S9. And nice and smooth on the iPhone XR as well. Leave it on that page. Calculator. About the same. Play Store and App Store. Give that to the S9. Click on an app and leave it on that page. Amazon. Give that to the S9. Click on the deal of the day. eBay on both phones. Give that to the S9. Click on this iPad. Leave it there. Super Mario Run. Give this to the S9. Tap to begin. iPhone a little bit faster running the actual game. And leave it there. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the S9. Will the iPhone catch up? S9 is out in front. And give this to the S9 Plus. Asphalt 9, let's go. Ooh, very close. Who's gonna take this one? And oh, and give this to the S9 Plus again. Weird pop-up here on the XR. Okay, get rid of all this. Tap the play button. PUBG. Looks like the iPhone is out in front here. And give this to the iPhone XR. As you can see. Here we go. Here comes the S9 Plus. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, looks like the S9 Plus is out in front a little bit. As you can see. And give this to the S9 Plus. And Snapchat on both. Give that to the S9. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background, as you can see. So let's just see what happens right now, starting with San Andreas. Good to go on both. PUBG. Ready to go on both. Asphalt 9. Still in RAM. We have Angry Birds here. Good to go. Mario Run. Ready to play. eBay. Nice and fast on both. Amazon. Same place. Play Store. Same place. Calculator. Same place. The browsers. There you go. The clock. Still running the stopwatch in the background. Camera. There you have it. The Messages app. There you go. Phone app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone XR with a notched display, barely over a 720p display, no headphone jack, no headphone adapter? This phone is slightly overpriced in my opinion. Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking the S9, the S9 Plus, S8 or S8 Plus from last year, Note 8, the Note 9? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.